What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and today we're doing breakfast. So I had a taste for an omelet. I didn't want to go to Waffle House, and I don't like Denny's, so I did a little questionnaire on Facebook, asked my friends where to go. They suggested First Watch. So this is my second time going. I went maybe 3 years ago, right when the pandemic first began to happen. It was horrible, and I got the exact same meal, so I'm gonna try it again today. Grab your snack, come on back. I did add a purple haze drink with it. It's gonna be a good video. All right, you guys, like I said, welcome back. And today we got First Watch. I did the Works omelet, some $1 Million bacon, home fried potatoes, and a purple haze tea. I'm curious to see how this can taste. Let's say our blessing, and then let's get to eating, because breakfast, you gotta eat while it's hot. Damn, Father, bless this food, bless those that prepare it, bless those who hear my voice, in your name, pray, amen. So let's first check this out. I'll insert a Black History fact at the end. It's good because it's sweet, but I taste the lavender, and I've never had a drink with lavender flavor, so that's kind of different. But it still gives a refreshing little kickback, so I ain't mad at it. It was like $5.99. Whole meal was $29, I think. 25, 29, might have been 29 with tip. Do y'all put ketchup on your potatoes? I'm not gonna put it on all of them because I don't think I'm gonna eat everything. But I'll put it on half. And then I can't do a omelet without like some fresh tomatoes, some sour cream, which thankfully they included, and some hot sauce. So I don't think I'm gonna eat everything, but let's dig in. It's the works: bacon, ham, sausage, peppers, mushrooms, cheese. I don't know if it had jalapenos. I hope so. I don't. So the only thing is if I make a omelet, ooh, I don't like it this fluffy. I'm not a fan of a fluffy omelet. Like, the consistency is a little fried on eggish, but it's a lot of sour cream, huh? I didn't realize I put that much. That's entirely too much sour cream. What was I doing? They use big mushrooms. Big onions too, look like. Not bad. Now, them potatoes are not done. Or at least that one wasn't. It shouldn't be this hard. Y'all need to put the top on the pot and let them just soften a little bit. Yeah, because y'all rush those potatoes. Just that $5.99 bacon. And I swear it said you get 5 slices, but I only got 4. I've done it at home where you cook the bacon, you put honey, some cayenne, or you can use syrup versus honey. Breakfast syrup and cayenne pepper to spice it up a little bit. They could have cooked that a little longer also. So everything, I mean, I see the potential in all of it. I just feel like they should slow it down in the kitchen. They weren't super packed, even though today is Friday. It was quite a few people eating in. But there's no reason why those potatoes should be rushed like that. And y'all know, I don't like bread, so I'm not messing with that. Would I go again? Probably not. This literally motivated me to want to go in the kitchen and do it myself. Like, you guys, as we're recording this, we are almost at our 1K. We are less than 40 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers on this Muckbang channel. Big ups to you guys. Thank you for the love and the support. See, like, this is ridiculous. Why would they don't even cut the onion. Like, what they think, you're not gonna notice it when you're eating, or they just know you're not gonna come back and complain? Like, I do both. I pack this meal right up. I've showed a video to a restaurant before, like, listen, look, this is what it looked like when I was ready to eat it. So, like, that bite of potatoes was perfect. They were super soft. So some cook better than others. The only thing I'm missing, what's the perfect breakfast to you? Now, family breakfast and a perfect breakfast is two different things, because if I'm cooking for a family, yes, I'm going to cook bacon, sausage, maybe even some smoked sausage, like turkey kibasca or something. Eggs with cheese, eggs without cheese. I'm going to do fried potatoes. I'm going to do some grits. I'm going to do waffles. I'm going to do some fresh fruit. Like, that's a breakfast for me, for a family. Like, I love a brunch. For my birthday, I am going to host a brunch at my house. I'm going to prepare the food. And it's kind of, why would you do that? Because, excuse me, my birthday's on a Monday, so that Friday night, we're going to go out together. Friday night, we're going to go, like, bowling or something. Saturday, we can go out and hit a hookah lounge, lounge. And then Saturday, I'm inviting everybody to my house. Sunday morning, I'm inviting everybody to my house for brunch. So it's like a 3-part event. Because I have a lot of friends and a lot of associates, so I want to make sure everybody gets a piece of something. Now, everybody don't get invited to the house to eat and all of that. That's a certain level of friendship. But the lounge and the bowling, like, that's open. You get me? It had potential today. Had they cooked the bacon just a touch longer, If it's your first time watching, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on your notification bell so that way you know anytime I post new content, community wall posts, going live, or just premiering a video. If you are a content creator yourself, comment down below. I want to start a growth stream. Maybe one day a week, I'll open up my platform to where other content creators can come in, promote your channel, and grow organically. So, well, as organic as it can get. But until then, enjoy these videos. Make sure you run my playlist because I am trying to monetize this platform. And we're almost there. So, I'm about to pack this up. It's enough to where I could possibly eat on it tomorrow, but I'm done for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.